Malela mali e aho e ki moe lele i Tonga hono kotoa, whiwhia ke o taritani lele i ki mo tonu, ki o mo ngahi o ngongo mo le te o kai uma ai televisone Tonga ki he howani. I he wakahiko i anki ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Whakahawha ofisiale me he e ki palemia o Tonga, i he hoatao e aho ni e kau kapinete fo o kua whili ki he pole anga fo o. Leko te potunga o polisi fuafua mo ui, ko e tō taha tau whaeni ke me lemo i tahi i he tau whaoni. Pea ha e lea he ena a whiwhio, ai whariloto whailoa ki anga o ohonua e wā i mo anga kelesi, e wike ha amo wanoa wao no he pongponge aoni o mea mi tamo ai tahi ne kuini na naspau o. O kutoi e pe ngahi tala noa kehe ana yangi pehea e tawakai ki ngahi o ngongo mi he mala e oi sipoti kai uma ai to unga oi ea. Ko e wakailewa e ni ki he whakai ki iki, ko au liliani polutele. Kua whakahawha ofisiale me he e ki palemia no pele whakawhanua ai toko hongo furu mātaha kua whili ki kapinete ne a whio. Ko e mahino e ni e pule anga whou, hili nge i kakato e aho e whangu furu tupu me he whili wharealea lahi a tongani ni whai i e aho wanoa o nove mata uku o si, ka koe hilia ai wiki e tolu mi hono whili o no pele whawhanua ki e laka ngā palemia. Ko e ki palemia no pele whawhanua o ku iai e laka ngā minista ki he potunga oe meidek, potunga oe polisi, mo e potunga oe tāmate awhi pehe ki he potunga oe pile sone. Ko e tokoni palemia, ko toki tā Williami waske Latu, o ku iai e laka ngā minista o e potunga oe whakamauanga, mo e potunga oe whakatau aki mo e langa whakarakaraka whakaekonomika. Ko e tamapiri nisi ka lau nitu poutoa o ka halala mahino pe o ku kei iai pe la kanga minista o e potu ngāwe ki moli mo e kautawe ne a whio. Ko e potu ngāwe ngahi business i e pule anga mo e potu ngāwe mo ui o ku ihe malu malu ia o e whawufonga kakai o Tongatapu tolo siao si sovaleni. Ko e minista ki e potu ngāwe pa anga mo e palani whawunua o ku ihe whawufonga o e ongo niwa ai a ko lata i whaingata atangi mana. Ko e poto ngāwe takmamata mo ngahi ngāwe langalalahi e puleanga o i he whawufonga kakai o Tongatapu a semisisika. Ko e poto ngāwe whanua sa vea mo ngahi koloa whakainatula o i he whawufonga kakai o e watataha toke tā taniela fusmalohi. Ko e poto ngāwe ako moako ngāwe o i he malumalu ia o i whawufonga kakai o wawa o tahawa, toke tā mo ale o tunuku. Ko e minista e poto ngāwe tāna ki paanga hō mai mo e tote o i he whawufonga kakai o Tongatapu hiwa 17 tō mo ua. Ko e poto ngāwe ngowe, mea toko ni mo e wā tātā o i he whawufonga kakai o Tongatapu wālo Williami Seswha. Pea i he minista le wai poto ngāwe whakaloto whanua, o ku i he whawufonga kakai o Tongatapu no whane whituawhi. Ne whili ni ihi koe ni o whakatatau ki e ko nistu tone pe ne ka matalau e nā whakahoko whatongi ami aho toru taho ti se mātau ku o si. I he ne pehe ku o whakatai au ngā i e pē mohona whakanofo o e kau minista, ne nā o tauhi whakataimi i e ngahi laka ngani tuku kehe ange tama pili nisi kalauni tu pōtoa o luka lala. Mahino pe o te hokatu pe i he pule anga whaoni ai he whakawhonga kakai o ewa tātaha toke tātani la fusmalohi ka oku ne i he poto ngāwe whao. Neonge ni ka oku te eki ke whakababau i mai hatai mi pau e whanofu ai ai kapineti whao e ne a whio. Nā e leko te he poto ngāwe polisi e fuafua mo ui ke mālolo i he melemo i tahi i he tau whaoni ko e toko taha tau wha. Ko hono whakapapau i eni i he tokoni komisiona polisi te vita vailea ki hongo i le te o Tonga mo e televisone Tonga pehe e vailea ne hoko eni i he aho ulua ki pe o sa anuali o e tau whaoni wano wano i he taha ngai matatahi ko ia i haake.
Laina pena ia le bote ka polisi fu ko pekia i tau whaou go mate meremon hoko beni e wakaha goia o i area wahenga vrake ai go pekia ko kire kata upa mai no peni atakai mena ko na ale family ko ni ko na kaitu he nada tahi ya kai di fotonga o matua reka ko ni ki tahi to fotonga ibe ko con el verano que hace señor de aquí que más mayor imagino que que todo se lave ya me pequia todo te tocan a todo una vez que todo con mal mojado a lo más fanado ne caupe en añena otro como más me sa tocan a todo una vez y mal mojado que ahí ya imagino que poco de ahí que va todo en la familia que ngai dahi to atbe to kanga make po ngawe ma do ta fana o po yang mal ta fana me tahi
ko e toko ni komisiona polisia David Tamailea na ne whama mawhai heni ai whima o ki toi tukangangi pe whakapoto angi kakai e whonua i he taimi o ki tahita te whito ki hono tukangai kina o longa i whānau i ki ke whakapapaui ai hao mo malu e nau mo ui te lia ha whahinga whatu tā maki e hoko i tahi. O ku haka he langi kua tau pia tangane ia ai kāinga lotu o e whare lotu whailonga ki anga o ohonua ewa i he whainga mālie kua nau toi mao ke kau whakataha mo ina āwhiwhio i he hoa mo anga kelesi o wike ha amo o Tonga ki e tau wanoa wano. Ko heli eni a hono ha e lea e he ena a whiwhio ki ngitupo wana mo kuinina na spau a e funga whanua i ngahi wike si i kua hili o kilisi masi mo whao si tau. Pea o mai pē ki he ena ha e lea e fuafua hoa mo anga kilesi o loaki o e wike ha amo a e whare lotu whailoa ki anga e siasi wasiriana tau taina o ohonua ewa i he hengi a o i ahoni. Nai makehe ai hoa mau anga kelesini i a mahino ne taimu ai ai tāhine kuinina na spau i hono whakailonga i ka mātai wike ha amo i siasini a ki ene mea mi tamua o whakamamawhai ai ka veinga lotu e hoa lotu uloa ki ke tau lotu o whakatomala e tau ngahi anga hala. Nei mahino mi hio wau lotuni e tau walahi ka kaio e siasini ne na uhu hengia ki he mau anga kelesini o i gai ngata pē i he kakaila lahi, kana i kau kia mo i tautupu oa o kilonga i whānau. Mahino pē koe hoa ta tau pē eni, na e ofo ai ai kakaito o lahi i tongani o uhu hengia, ho nau ngahi i wharelotu ki mo anga kelesi uluaki o wikeni. Koe wike ha amo o Tonga o kutaku koe wike eni o kupunou pia tō rutui kotoa ai e whunga waka keke o i loto i tongani, i hono huwhia, lo tua pe hapai hake ngahi ngā ue mo e whanonga i ta uniki o tua ke ne kei maloi mo ta ki whanonga i he hala o ku teu ke hiki whanonga i he ta o whaoni. Ke wike lotu o wanga maheni ke whai i he siasi wasiriana tawataina o Tonga, siasi o Tonga, siasi koni stūtone tawataina o Tonga mo ngahi siasi kehe pē. Ke wike ha amo o kumakehe ia miha toi hoa lotu, i mahino koe wike eni o ku whai ai ai whakaheke heka e waka o isi hasi, whanua mai pule anga. Pea koe whakaamu ke whao ha o whanonga o ku tuuloa ke ne lava o tali te kei, ma te tali mo malui e mo ui e whamili mo e whanua i he kaha o. Koe wike ha amu o ku iei ngahi hoa lotu ai e hongo fulu i he pongipongi mo e whiawhi. Pea gei pe mo no ngahi ka venga taki taha i he hoa lotu, ai au ku whai ai hono ho whia ai whanua, ta te whito ki ngahi peau tā o kune ta whia mo whakauha, pea whawhi ātungia i ngai mo ui e whamili mo i tautupu i e whanuani. Ke he mahino pe o ku whoki kotoa o whahau whatongia ngā maheni, ai ngahi poto ngāwe kotoa pe e pule anga, i he ahoni hiliange i e ngahi ahumālolo kirismasi mo i whakaustau. I ene pehe kua tōtu o niai i ngahi poto ngāwe lahi, ke toku pē ngāwe i he whāhe whiawhi ke whawhainga mālie ai kakai ke nau lavātu ki ngahi moanga kelesi maho i ngani. Pea o ku te eki peha holo i hono mao taha he kau polisi mo no puke o ki nau tolu o ku iei e whilawe i tono mo e whaito o kuna tapu i tongani. Ko hiri eni hono toi puke he kau polisi ha toko hongo furu mā toru loro tonga eni ai ngawe taha Ai poto ngawe polisi lo ngai aho malo lo Christmasi mo fa ostau o whilawe mo ki nau tolu ni nau mao ngai aki mo tu whaki hono whaito o Tongatapu. Ka koe whakaiki ki mo wahi whanua tōpola.
I he whai ke eke me tokon komisiona polisi ne pehe ai te vita vailean ki hongonga le o Tonga. Koe tō tātolo koe nini mao ki nau tolu lo tonga ngā we taha i kau polisi i he taimi malolo i Christmasi mo whaka ostau. Me ngai whaitu ke hepe i Tongatapu ni.
Patatau ke lipoti ko lava o altaki mai i bongbongin. A whiunga mo toko tātol, o tātoa nai puke, mo whakailo o tonga i waha taimi koe. Aia koe ngahi operation, koe ngahi ngau i ke peni, ngahi area ke i Tongatapu. O lava o puke ai toko tātol koe ni me waha taimi. Kamata koe ngau i makehe koe ni. I he waha taimi aho tahiwa, wa o mai ki he ki ane awhi. Aia ko toko tātou koe ni, ko toko tahataha ai, o e kakai tahata, pe ko toko ua ai, ko kakai whiwhini. E puke peki nau tolu ngai aho ke kehe, mo ngai pitu ke kehe e ria i Tongatapu. O kau ai, i nau tolu ngai puke e ria o Mataika, Tongatapu. Whataha pe mo e whaito o Tongatapu, o kau ke ai marijuana, e pehe ki he paanga, umau meana whatau atu pe mo ngai mea ngau e aki ono whaonga i koe whaito o Tongatapu. Ko toko taha tolu koe ni, me he waha ta uia o te tau tahaono, ke tau whaua, e hoki he ni ihina puke, i he area o Halarewa, e mo maupang, e lava puke ki nau tolu ka mo whaito o Tongatapu, kalas koe methamphetamine, e mo marijuana, e pehe ki he paanga, e mo ngau o ngā eki ono whakaaunga i goia whaito o Tongatapu. Ngai whitu ke ngai taimi ke kawai i waini, e pehe ki he area o Nuku'alofa, e whoki ki he otaha, me i te ki, e mona ko, ake whakatoa ia ki nau tolu na raba puke.
Ke toko taha tolu koe nini te whahai vailea ko whailo ki nau tolu ke nau haa i whahamau anga.
Ko whailo ki nau tolu ke ngai tiki te kehe o kau i hao no mau, mo te whakiatu o whaito o tawhawao, e pehe ki hono ke nihina, e te whainga ia, e no puke ki nau tolu, ko pehe ke nihi, me lava whailo i nau tolu, te whaauha, e ngā i whamohoni ko nire o tonga i ngau e koe kau polisi. Ku pepe tokanga, mai e ki heni mo hene penga i kaini kātoanga, ku tokanga makehe to ke malu mo hea o society, ni hono tukakiatu mo te whakatawaku koe a e whaito o.
Ne toka kato ki e taimi haa whehiwa i pongpongi e aho ni ai ngau e taha e pot ngai polisi ai tuk mai vai lea i hangongo a muiangi ai li pot whaluk fua e ola o i ngau e tahani. Ka ako mahino pe lolotonga e wā i taimi koe ni, ne iai malolo i hala puli anga i e whao singa o e tau. Hile i Christmasi pehe ki hamo ui ne mole ki he taona kita. Kai ke neonga kato e ngau e taha unga whiwhita, kau ke i ta poupe e pot ngai polisi ke mau inga e tauhi o e hao me malu e whanonga e hala puli anga, pehe ki he mau luta e nofo ai society. Maa ngonga li te omu televisione Tonga, ko au vai whanua tō Paula.
O ni ngongo whakalata whanua ia ki hawani koe ngahi o ngongo me mala e o sipoti hoko mai ia i he hawani.
Maleta ke whiau mai me he mala e o sipoti. Ko whaau pa se he timi me whoi one ai kuna e whiawi akapolo ipo alavinga maali e. Ko e hili eni hono ikuna e haapai seasides ai whainolo e whiauhi, ai anena whipolepole maali ai mo e timi e toloa Old Boys. Ko ikuna eni he timi a haapai e whiauhini whakataha mo i pale pa angai ono mano ai pale uloaki o e whiauhi. Ne toki ua hake e toloa Old Boys mo i pale pa angai wha mano ni mawhi. Ne toi mao he toloa Old Boys mo i pale ki e veslau loto le leitaha mo i pa angai taha mano ni mawhi. Ne tok tolu hake e timi e hifo tukhali mo i pa anga e tolu mano ni mawhi pe a wha ai hate ho Spartan mo i pa anga e tolu mano. Ko e whiahi lewa ki he peletina i kuna ia e i kali o kolomotu a mo i pa anga e ua mano. Ua hake e maalisi mo i pa anga e taha mano ni mawhi. Tolu e ngele ia warlords ko i pa anga e taha mano pe a wha a fasma ufanga mo i pa anga e waluafi. Kai gehe I ngahi pale makehe kai wa inga lele taha e whainolo ha musi ha matapule fisi me he timi a hapai ka koe leo kolo te vita lentua. Ne mau me pale ki he fawet lele taha e hapai pe he ki he kapteni lele taha e he kapteni o hapai fetu uloa havili. Koe tauto a lele taha ne mau I he senta he time maalisi aloisi o moa. Aga whahu lele taha ne mau I he whesa hihifo se misi maasi. Whikawalo lele taha me tata o lahi taha ne mau I he whikawalo e spateni e se ilame tukuafu me tatao e hiva. Koe wainga lele taha o e whea au hi whakatoa pe koe man of the tournament ne mau ia e whesa hihifo se misi maasi. Koe whaiako lele taha ne mau ia e he whaiako koe e timia hapai ko se misi po male. Koe whakakaikai lele taha ne mau ia e taha kaupopo e time maalisi ko savelina one one. Kai kehe koe timi lewa ene e wheauhi aia koe tokotahani ma lele taha ia e wheauhi ko kaukawola siuta me he timi angele ia, Tonga me he timi e toloa Old Boys, Manuvi me he timi a hihifo, Fetu uloa havili me he timi a hapai, Butulongo puloka me he timi a kolomotua, Sione tamale me he timi e toloa Old Boys, Vilikesa viutau me he timi a hapai Seasides, Seilame tukuafu me he timi e spateni, Siasnai me he timi e toloa Old Boys, Semisma asi me he timi a hihifo, ko Ratu Terealangi me he timi a hapai, Aptone vaka me he timi a lavinga maalie, Aloisi o moa me he timi a maalisi, Stani maafu me he timi a hihifo, Pehekia te vita lentua me he timi a hapai. I whamatala sing star saulala koe Palestinio e kolistutuka lavinga maalie na ane pihe, koe whiauhia kapula lavinga maalie ne kamatai he ta uafe, I he ta moa ke toko ni e whanau a kapulu, pia moevi sone ke ave whakataha tale ni te e whanau, pia moe lotu ki he mala e wainga. Ne toi whahai saulala koe kotoa e ngahi pale paanga ni whoaki ne maa uia mi tānak paanga e hu he matapā, ai ne whiunga moe wakilu wono mano tupu. Tu ke heangi ai ngahi pale ni whoaki he ngahi kautaha pehe ki ngahi whamiri. Koe whiauhi hoko e tok whahoko e he wawhe wawalu I he tauni manoa I seas toka I kolo I a kalaisi, pia wanoa tolu noa I he siuperi koula ai kolisi lavenga maali ye.
Ko e wakailewa ene ki he tuo ngā oe ea, I hono toko mai me wa awkai matangi a tonga I whamoto me poto ngā oe Meidek, I hono whaho ko ato e Kerry Vite.
Kai rei rei ki moutou ke tau whamutala ea ko I ke whiawhini, poto ngā iangi tau talanoa lahi ko I ke whiawhini, aho ko ia ka hoko mai ki hau tonga, I ki mawhanangi ea. E taimi tau pe, hoinga pito me tonga ai, afu ko ia ea, pe mahoinga hono inu ko ia wai ke lahi. Mau ngā pito ki toka ngai kina ki nau tolu ko ia o mahaki hela, ki ngā mauha ea ko ia o mokokoko. Mei he I misa te laiti ko ia honi, I lahanga peke alomari e ki toa au tonga, ki hanga pepa ni petu ni he ria ko ia o moniwa o mai piki Tongatapu moniwa, nai pepa ki watu muto maa pia. Pia taimi te taupe, ni ai ki altamatuha ne ki toka I he ria ko ia tere ki tonga mo tere ki toke launa ne me ke ne o mai e uha ki e ria ko ni pia moe hako hako. Wakai koe ki whakatokanga koe ki ngai potahi o ke koe e whakatokanga I tahi lai hako hako pe pehe ke whale I ke whanki wakai ki tokanga o pito e whiwholawa koe ai tahi ki kotoa pia ngai potahi koe au tonga. Mei he Pasifiki ngai aha koe a Nima koe ka hako mai, patonga e tau ke whiawa du pepe moe ea mawhana, pia mihi tonga hahake, whai whanunga koe ngai ka hako mai. I e taimi te tau pe, patonga iange ko alomari o makola mai me tonga, me teke mai al tamakuha, na un mai ke e ria koe wa wau haapai Tongatapu pia mo e wa, tau te whito ki he, ko prelulu, wa upe ki he tona koe a wikeni. E ria koe ni, e whinga maari ke uha, e vai taimi koe. Nei he whamutala ea ko ia ki he whiawhini pia moe pōni, patonga iange, toa ko ia o tonga, e meki e ai pewhangi au whia, me whangi tō, e ngai wheitu pe patonga iange ai, o mo taha koe whamawhana, me meki mawhana peke e ria o ngoni wā, peke te lisi o siase wa whitu, toinga ko ia o tonga, me meki nofo ke te lisi o siase wa ni maki he waona. Ko hawi ri e ki hoko te pōni ki kotoa au tonga ki he Malunga taha ko ia ai malo happy o pe ki malitahi e wanima ki e hoa. Ni whai whanonga ko ia pongpongi, e lahi mpeke alomari e o Tonga, ai ai pewhinga mari ki a whanonga mawhia mo hatu moto, i ngai wheitu pe ni he ni whai whanonga ko ia pongpongi. Mawhana taha ko ia e a au ki tirisio sa se tolu ua, ki he eria ko ia ronganiwa, pe a whatonga iangi, eria whakatonga ko ia o Tonga, me meke nof ke tirisio sa se wahiwa. Ko e hawiri, i hokat pe hako hako a pongpongi, a pe ke maretahi e wanima ki e hoa. Taimi hua me mamaha ko ia tahi, e tau mari e tahi e poni, i e hoki tonu ko ia hiwa, ma toka ki a hengi, i e osmi te wanima ka me tonu. La me mahina, e hopo la a pongpongi osmi te nima pe mihi ono. Mahina, e hopo ia, i e osmi te hopulu pe mihi wa ki e poni. Whamatala e a ko ia ke aho ko ia, e nima ka hako mai ki Nuku'alofa, patonga iange, tu sistema tule lulu, me meke almari e pe, ka koe tua pele lulu whai whanonga tue ke tona i, e whenga maari e ke uha e ria koe Nuku'alofa. Mawhana taha koe a wha mawhana au ki tirisio i sasi e ua walu ki he tolu taha. Wha malo ato mumia mai, mumia.
Ko e tūnga ia oe ea ka tau toi wakaingi pehe ki ngā hei olo i o ngongo. Whakahawha ofisiale me he e ki Palemia o Tonga i he hoatao e ahoni e kau kapinete fo o kua whili ki he pole a ngā who'o. Leko te poto ngāwe polisi fuafua mo ui, ko e tō taha tau whaeni ke me lemo i tahi i he tau whaoni. Pea ha e lea he ena a whiwhio, ai whariloto whailoa ki anga o ohonua e wa i moanga kelesi, e wike ha amo wanoa wao no he pongponge aoni o mea mi tamo ai tahi ni kuini na naspau umo. Mo e kakato e pea e ngahi o ngongo me le tio, ka ima ai television e tonga ki he hauani me whaka amo, mea o taki katoa atu ia ki loto whane katoa pepa. Wea i pe tala muno watu ki he tau whaongi kai malo e tau kei whiango ka mōmea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news with Radio and Television Tonga for the hour. Leading our headlines tonight, Prime Minister announces his new cabinet. A 4-year-old child drowned on New Year's Day, and Their Majesty's King Tabo VI and Queen Naspau spends the festive season at the island of Ewa. We'll have these and more stories later on in the bulletin with the latest from sports and the latest weather update. Now, I'm Vafanuatu Paula with the stories in detail. The Honourable Prime Minister Lord Fafanua has officially announced his 11 cabinet members with ministers this afternoon after their appointments were made by His Majesty King Tabo VI in accordance with the Constitution, which was effective from the 31st of December last year. The official announcement of the cabinet comes after 45 days since the general election on the 20th of November 2025, and 3 weeks later, Lord Fafanua was elected to the Prime Minister's role. The new members of His Majesty's cabinet and portfolios are as follows. Lord Fafanua as Prime Minister and Minister for Meteorology, Energy, Information, Disaster Management, Environment, Communication and Climate Change, or MEDECT. He is also the Minister for Police, Fire and Emergency Services and Prisons. The Honourable Dr. Latu as Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Justice and Minister for Trade and Economic Development. His Royal Highness the Crown Prince Tupoto Ulukalala as Minister for His Majesty's Diplomatic Services or Foreign Affairs Ministry and also the Minister for His Majesty's Armed Forces. Honourable Siausi Ofakiwa Hafalau Sovaleni as Minister for Public Enterprises and Minister for Health. Honourable Latai Whaingata Atangmana as Minister for Finance and National Planning. The Honourable Se Misikio Alafusika, Minister for Tourism and also Minister for Infrastructure. The Honourable Dr. Daniela Liku Ohifo Fusmalohi as Minister for Lands, Survey, Planning and Natural Resources. The Honourable Dr. Moale Otunuku as Minister for Education and Training. Honourable Seventini Taumo'ua as Minister for Customs and Inland Revenue. Honourable Viliami Sisfa, Minister for Agriculture and Foods and Forestry, and also the Minister for Fisheries. And also the Honourable Fane Fotofituafe, who is the only woman, as Minister for Internal Affairs. The swearing-in of the new cabinet has yet to be confirmed. Police have recorded the first death at sea for the new year 2026 following a 4-year-old child drowned at a beach in Hahake on Thursday, January the 1st. This was confirmed by the Deputy Police Commissioner, David Vailea, to Radio Tonga, who called on the public to be more cautious at the beaches and also practice water safety. He also re-emphasized the importance of being vigilant when going to the beach with young children to ensure that they are safe when in the water. Their Majesties King Tupo VI and Queen Anasipau are currently in Vava'u after spending their Christmas holiday and New Year on the island. They will also spend the National Prayer Week in Ewa following Her Majesty Queen Anasipau will lead the first service for the week this morning. More on that story with Liliani Poltele.
The King's Secretary, Sione Fifita, told Radio and Television Tonga News that Their Majesty attended the first prayer session of Tonga Prayer Week 2026 this morning at the Fe'iloakianga Chapel in Ohonua, Eua. This year's first prayer session for the Church of the Freewoods Church of Ohonua, Eua, as Her Majesty Queen Nanasipau led the first prayer session, marking the beginning of a call for the people to be more spiritually prepared for the challenges and roads ahead this year. Her Majesty highlighted in her testimony the theme of this morning's prayer session, "Let us pray and repent our sins." The first session at the Fe'iloakianga Chapel was attended by several people of the church, from elderly to children. It is also understood that many people in other churches and other islands were all woken up early this morning and entered their own chapels for Prayer Week. Prayer Week is an annual event for most churches, including the Free Wesleyan Church, Constitutional Church of Tonga, and others, with hundreds of people gathering every morning and evening to their respective churches for prayer. It is an opportunity for families, villages, and churches to come together to pray and ask for protection for the year and what it brings. There are different themes and issues allocated for every evening and morning session. There are 10 sessions every morning and evening with different themes, such as praying for the whole country, particularly safeguarding the youth and families from pressing issues that have affected families and communities in the past years. Meanwhile, it is understood that the government services are all back to normal starting today, but most ministries and organizations have issued their services to end at 4 o'clock in the afternoon to enable people to attend this week's Prayer Week.
And 13 people have been arrested across Tongatapu in connection with drug-related offences during the Christmas and New Year's holiday. I'll tell you more on that story. The Deputy Police Commissioner, David Vailea, confirmed to Radio Tonga that the arrests were made under a joint operation of Operation Ungafifita, aimed at reducing drug abuse and trafficking during the festive period. Vailea says the suspects were detained at various locations around Tongatapu, from Mataika, Halaleva, Maufanga, Vaini, Nuku'alofa, Nakolo, and Te Kiu. He added 11 of those arrests are males, while 2 are females, and have all been charged and are expected to appear in court. Radio Tonga News understands that Operation Ungafifita concluded earlier today with a full report yet to be released from the police about the operation. Despite this, police still reminds the public about being vigilant, as police remains committed to maintaining law and order and ensuring public safety across the kingdom. And that's it from the local scene. Sports is up next with Mark Ake. Stay tuned.
Welcome to this evening's sports package with Radio Tonga 1 and 2. With the Rugby Union, cheers and celebration filled the Teufaiva field on Saturday as the Ha'apai Seasides were crowned the champions of the Lavenga Malie Cup. The Ha'apai Seasides sealed the title after edging out Tolo Old Boys in a competitive grand final that kept fans on their feet until the final whistle. Ha'apai Seasides lifted the trophy and claimed the top prize of 60,000 pa'anga, while Tolo Old Boys settled for second place, earning 45,000, and also took home the award of 15,000 pa'anga for the team with the best Bible verses. Hihifo Tukuhali finished third with 35,000 pa'anga, and Ha'ateho Spartans claimed fourth place with 30,000 pa'anga. Meanwhile, in the plate competition, the Komotua Eagles dominated the final to secure first place with 20,000 paanga. Apifo Mars followed in second with 15,000 paanga. Ngelia Warlords placed third with 10,000, while Fasmaufanga finished fourth with 8,000 paanga. Other awards also saw Devita Lendua of Ha'apai named man of the match of the finals between Ha'apai and Toloa, while his captain Fetu'uloa Havili stood out, winning both best forward and best captain of the tournament. Aloisio Mo of Apfo Mars won best center, while Semisi Maasi of Fihifo dominated the back line, earning best inside back, and was also crowned overall player of the tournament. Seilame Tukuafu of Ha'ateho Spartan was named best number 8 and top try scorer, crossing the line 9 times during the tournament. On the sidelines, Semisi Pomale of Ha'apai was named the coach of the tournament, while the loudest applause went to Savelina Onioni, a Mara supporter who received Best Supporter Award. Loving Amalia College alumni president Sengsta Saulala said that the tournament, which began in 2000, was created to support young rugby talent while strengthening faith on and off the field. He confirmed all prize money was raised through gate entrance, which collected around $26,000. The Loving Amalia Rugby Tournament will return in 2028 to mark 50 years of the establishment of Tokaikolo Ikalaisi Church, and again in 2030 for the Golden Jubilee of Loving Amalia Christian College.
There was sports with Mark Ake. Now looking at the latest weather update with Gary Vite, a senior meteorologist from the Tonga Met Office.
Welcome to our weather forecast for today. Here is our main story for this evening. We expect warmer air temperature for the next few days for all of Tonga. And also, I would like to remind you to drink more water, to stay hydrated, and also provide a proper care for patients with asthma. From the satellite image for today, an active trough lies over the areas of Tereki Tonga and Tereki Tokelau coastal waters, was bringing a occasional rain and also a strong wind over this area. And also the rest of Tonga mainly fine apart from a few showers over some few places. From the warning for coastal waters, extreme high tide, strong wind, and small craft advisory remains in force for all of Tonga coastal waters. By looking at the Pacifics for the next few days, we expect the warm and humid air prevails from northeasterly directions for the next few days, and also please take note, a high pressure system to the far south may pushing over the active trough towards the areas of Wawa'u, Hapai, Tongatapu, and Ewa. Then there will be a chance of occasional rain around those areas about this Thursday and continue up to Saturday this weekend. Here is our forecast for this evening. We expect a cloudy conditions in over most part of Tonga with isolated showers as we're moving along tonight. And also please take note, the minimum temperature of 25 degrees Celsius towards to the south, but for the newest will be around 27 degrees Celsius. A wind speed of 25 knots, most all over Tonga as we're moving along tonight. So therefore, we expect a strong wind for tonight. And also we're moving along for tomorrow. We expect cloudy conditions with a showers of rain over Tonga for tomorrow. Mainly fine weather for tomorrow, but there will be a chance of showers of rain. The maximum temperature will be around 32 degrees Celsius towards to the newest, and please take note, in the far south, there will be around 29 degrees Celsius. Strong wind will also continue tomorrow with a maximum winds of 25 knots over Tonga. Here is our tide predictions. High tide will be at 9 o'clock p.m. this evening, and the low tide will be at 25 minutes past 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. Sun and the moon, sunrise will be at 5 minutes past 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and the moonrise will be at 10 minutes past 9 p.m. tonight. By looking at the 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa, we expect fine weather for tomorrow and also Wednesday, but for Thursday, continue up to Saturday this weekend, there will be a chance of occasional rain around that time. The maximum temperature will be around 28 to 31 degrees Celsius. Thank you for listening and good evening.
That was Gary Vite with the latest weather update, wrapping up your English news package with Radio and Television Tonga for the hour. But before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. Prime Minister announces his new cabinet. A 4-year-old child drowned on New Year's Day, and Their Majesty's King Paula VI and Queen Anasmau spends the festive season at the island of Ewa. That's it for tonight. Thank you for joining us. I'm Paula with the Hour's Bulletin. Good evening.